Hi friends, so let's try to assemble the remote. This is a Sony TV remote and I'm just putting the number pad to that slots first. This is how it is, it doesn't fit in. As you know already, the remote was thrown from the third floor to the ground floor. So let's hope it works somehow. And if you see here, I'm placing this and this. Hopefully it gets set. I have to make it work somehow. I don't know how this will work. Okay. And here comes the next part. I'm just placing this back panel so that we have something to do. And this goes into the front panel. Should this be placed first? Okay, let's try again. This is a bit challenging one. Okay, this is how it is. So far, so good. Let's try to place. Alright, there you go. I fixed some of this one. Hopefully, the batteries go in as well. See the up and down positive and negative. And there you go. Hoping for the remote to work finally. Let's see, this button has to be fixed here at this point. And here we are trying to fix this is the arrow keys. Oh my god, it's so tough. All the four slots aren't going in together at one point. Oh, let's see how does this work. Oh, I think this is the wrong way to do.